Hello everyone. Today, I will teach you on how to convert normal video to 4K Ultra HD. A CapCut 4K quality tutorial. First, select the clip you want to convert. Then, tap on Adjust and tap on the graph. From the graph, now, do what I do on the graphs. Adjust the white, red, green, and blue. Then, you're done. After this, click on Effects. Then search Blur. After that, export on high quality. After you exported the video, now make the clip back to normal. Add the exported video as overlay. Then, adjust it properly. Scroll to find Blend, then tap on Burn. Make sure you make it to 24. After this, add a white stock overlay. Again, scroll and find Blend, then tap on Overlay. Then make sure that you make it to 85. Then finally, adjust everything and voila! Finally, you have a 4K Ultra HD video. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, bye bye!